by going into restaurants in downtown Nashville to do two or three things. One, to give people an actual experience of a small sit-in, never more than 3 or 4 people in a place. To test themselves, to see what happened, to talk to waitresses about it and determine what the attitudes of waitresses, to talk with customers about it. We were not served in any of those places that we chose as experimental places in November. We instructed our people, if possible, to find the manager of the restaurant or whatever, in some cases restaurants and department stores, and find out, if they could, who was the person making the decision that we could not be served. Find the responsible party. See who they were. Collect names and faces and start conversations. So that was the month of November.
So this is not just some kind of spontaneous action of people who want a hamburger.
No,
this is very serious, planned activity.
It was a planned and strategized and deliberate time of recruiting troops and developing people who themselves could be committed to clear nonviolence. And another thesis that we had then was that while we would try to teach as many people a commitment to nonviolence, that we needed a strong cadre of leaders who would definitely not play games about it. We did not want people who would say, well, I'm going to be a tactical nonviolent person in this. We wanted people who could see its spiritual and moral base and want to experiment with nonviolence as a way of life.